Okay, hello there, money makers. As I promised in one of my other videos here, I just decided to do a quick video on my trade from 2 days ago. I hadn't made it into a video, and when I went to save it, something happened on the computer and it was wiped out. So I have a couple of still pictures of the trade, so I'm just gonna walk through that a little bit. We were trading 3 contracts on the 6A, which is the Euro futures contract. Each contract in this market controls $125,000. So we got short. You can see our entry is up here. That's what this beige line is. This is where our entry was. We shorted this because we were looking for it to move down. And we went in with 3 contracts. So 3 contracts, we got in with $375,000. We took out our first contract very, very quickly, right in here at 4 pips, which grabbed us 50 bucks just right off the hop, real quick, easy money. We took out our second contract at 10, which would have been a little bit lower around here. Again, really, really quickly within the first few minutes of this trade, and locked in another 125. So we were up $175 with this trade in under 10 minutes anyways. And basically what that allowed us to do was get our risk off the table. So we moved in with a break-even stop at that point, which was when we put our stop up to our entry point. So we were guaranteed profit on this trade. Now the trade did give us the move down that we were looking for. So right now this is a 5-minute chart that this is showing. So we can see the move down. We came sideways for a little while, and then we broke down again. Now this stop, this shows me the stop in here. There we go. We can see here it's at 33.37. Our entry was 33.87, so that's a 50 pip stop right there. That would be worth about 600 bucks at that point, preventative. Now our target at this time was down at 32.57, which was 130 pips for our target. And basically what happens is when we can see the market moving in our direction, you can see this is 3 o'clock, we're going into time-wise, moving into the last hour of trading for the day. And basically what can happen is, I'll just move to another chart, we can see that the market was going our direction and continuing to do so. So what ended up happening was I ended up taking my target and moving it farther away. So I ended up moving my target to 31.87, which I had reasons for from my technical analysis and our trading methodology that we use with the Moneymaker Edge. So I moved my target down to 31.87, which ended up making it a total of a $2,500 profit on that trade. Now if we look at the time here, it took us out at about 4:45 a.m. in the morning. The trading that would be happening mostly here would be our European market. So off of the 3 contracts, when we closed this target in at 200 pips or ticks, whichever you prefer to use, with the 3 contracts that we got into, we closed $2,675 in 18 hours of a trade. And our risk to get into this trade was about 150 bucks. We risked 4 ticks on 3 contracts to get in, making it for a really, really good reward to risk ratio if you pay attention to that kind of thing. Also, it gave us the opportunity to use about $1,500, need about $500 to control a contract on the 6E or the 6A or the ES for that matter. And so we only used $1,500 in capital to make this trade happen. So to make $2,600 off of $1,500 in capital and $150 in risk is huge. It's well over 100% on your money in a day. This kind of trading is what's possible using the Moneymaker Edge methodology, and technical analysis, and a bunch of other things that we teach in the course. And it's just really incredible, and I like to show people this just to show them the opportunity that you can have. So here's a eagle eye view of the trade. Our entry: 3 contracts, 33.87, 4 ticks of risk, $150 was our risk. First target came in with 1 contract, 4 pips, we locked in $50. Second target right away, 10, locked in another 125. And then when we hit the home run, we took out our target, 31.87, with another $2,500, $2,675 on this trade. Now these trades don't happen every day, or sometimes they do, but we don't always catch them. I was lucky enough to catch this one. Other days like today, it's a few $100. It's just nice when these come by and happen, and the beauty of it is having a trade like this while getting your risk off the table, with no risk in this trade after about the first 15 minutes, then you have nothing to lose. You have 175 locked in, and now it's just icing on the cake, I like to call it. That's how we trade, that's how we do it. If you're not doing it that way, I feel sorry for you. So anyways, that was my trade from 2 days ago. If you're interested in learning how to do this, if you want to learn how to start working towards financial freedom, start navigating your way through the markets, getting into trading, I highly encourage you to look at tradingonlinemadeeasy.com. Get in touch with us. Come and see when one of our next live courses is going to be. They're great events, always a lot of fun. Never had anyone disappointed at the end of the course that they came out. And come out, learn how to do it, start trading with us, and see where that takes you. So that's all for now, and I hope you guys are having a great trading day, and hopefully we'll hear from you soon. Bye for now.